Are you looking for remote jobs that you can do without degree or experience? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 remote jobs that you can do without degree or experience. You don't have to be officially having a degree. You have obtained from the official university or any kind of experience. What you need to have is only skills that you can do. If you come into your Go search and type remote jobs that you can do without degree or requirements, you can see that they are highlighting different stuffs, different platforms which are talking about this, and also you can be wondering how you can be coming up with the one you can do for your own. So I'm going to be talking about these 5 I have selected for you, and also for this video from the start to the end, and you will be able to understand which one you can do without a degree or experience, and also will be able to understand which one is for you and which one is for other person's essay. So the first one is called voiceover artists. When you come to voiceover, also voiceover jobs, you can see you're going to be getting different information about voice acting. Find voiceover jobs online, voiceover jobs on Upwork, which means if you're going to be freelancing, voiceover marketplace to hire actors. It all depends on what you want. What you need is to click on this platform and go to the given platform you want to be working in. You can also go to voiceover on freelancer on Fiverr. So if you go to Fiverr, you're gonna be getting different voiceover acts also where you can be working. If you are having the skills that you can be able to perform different voiceovers, that is where you can be getting a job or obtaining different jobs that you can do with voiceover. What you need is only skills to be able to add voiceovers to the videos and also be able to provide professional work. At this point, you can be having the information or can be having the professional work which is finished and which is going to be working well in the way that you can be helping you to make money remotely. You don't need to be also sitting in the office. What you need is to be sure that you're going to be doing this. So the second one is content writer. When you talk about content writer, that is where we're going to be writing the contents for the given blog. You can be having your own blog post. Let me, for instance, if I'm going to be searching content writer jobs, you can be getting different platforms that are going to be offering you different content writing jobs. For instance, we have this one for Upwork. You can go to Upwork and be able to do this. You can be go for LinkedIn. You can be going to different platforms and see where they are announcing or they are advertising different jobs regarding the content writing option. So all you need is to ensure that you are having the content writing skills, and once you are having the content writing skills, you will be able to do everything you need, and you will be able to ensure that you can achieve your professional goals, but also being a content writer. So the content writing skills also can be going somewhere, either on YouTube, either taking different short courses, either reading different articles online, and end up also becoming a content writer because you have already acquired the skills that are required. So the further one is social media manager. Social media manager also is another kind of job that you can do, and also this doesn't require you to go into the school or into the classroom to obtain a degree. So what you need to do is to ensure that you are having the skills required so that you can be able to do everything you need. So at this point, now let me see if I type social media manager jobs. I'm gonna get different jobs here, and for instance, if I type jobs here, you can see via LinkedIn or via different platforms, they are posting social media manager jobs, social media content creator, social media content and social media and content manager, social media communications. So you can see if you go to Upwork on the freelancing platform, or if you go to Indeed.com, you can see they are advertising social media manager jobs. Also, you can go to Himalayas.app and see remote social media jobs in Rwanda, Marias, and anywhere else. You can see social media manager jobs, agent social media. So you can explore different platforms and see the one which is going to be fitting for you, and also you can be able to understand which one you can be able to work on as a social media manager, or which one you can be able to sit and also be able to operate on. So the fourth one is interpreter. So if you are also good at language, maybe you understand English, you understand Spanish, you understand different language including French, so Latino, you can be able to work as a translator. For instance, if I type translator jobs, you're gonna be getting different jobs here. Translator jobs online, I'm gonna be getting this one. You can see this Rwanda to French. You can see this Lucia linguist translator. You can see translator Japanese. You can see translator Arabic language localization. So you can be able to acquire or to obtain different kind of languages that you can be translating. So at this point, that is where it can be helping you to obtain this job. You don't need to have a certain kind of degree to be able to do this job. What you need is to only be able to understand this English. Having English skills, if for instance the Latino they want, that means you're going to be doing this because you are capable of translating the information, or translating the language that is someone is speaking, or translating the written script or written content. So additionally, I have also prepared for you is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant job is another kind of jobs that you can do nowadays, and be able to make money without a degree, also, and be able to work remotely without degree. So there are different virtual assistant jobs, and also what you need is to ensure that you go and apply for virtual assistant jobs. If you go in your browser, or if you go to the internet and search for virtual assistant jobs, you're gonna get different kind of jobs that you can be able to do, that you can be able to get concentrated on. You can see that you are going to be having virtual assistant jobs for September. You can see virtual assistant work jobs with salaries. So you can see virtual assistant jobs on Flex jobs, virtual assistant and remote workers. What does it mean? That means that you can be able to get engaged and also be able to make money by doing these virtual assistant jobs. At this point, virtual assistant jobs can be helping you, where you can be working virtual remotely and be able to assist or support other people, maybe who are having different issues, maybe you are going to help people to solve different circumstances virtually. You don't need to be existing or to be sitting there. You don't need to be sitting in the office. What you need is to only be having the kind of skills that are required for you to be able to facilitate those people. So if you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. I hope also you enjoyed this video. Remember to like this video, share it to our friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Marks TV.